12 Grapes for the New Year by Miguel Quintero. Illustrated by Elise Mills. Clock. Grapes. Benito and his family were ready to celebrate the New Year. "It's almost midnight, Benito," Grandfather said. "Get 12 grapes for you and 12 grapes for me." Benito went to the table to collect the grapes. He pulled the grapes from the stem. He put 12 grapes into a cup. Benito pulled 12 more grapes. He put them into another cup. One cup was for Grandfather, and the other cup was for Benito. Cup. Stem. Lamp. Couch. "Why do we eat 12 grapes at the New Year, Abuelo?" Benito asked. He called his grandfather Abuelo. Abuelo is the Spanish word for grandfather. Think about it, Benito. How does the number 12 match the New Year? Grandfather asked. "There are 12 months in a year," Benito said. "This is true," said Grandfather. "And how do grapes taste?" he asked. "Grapes taste sweet," said Benito. "So why do you think that we eat 12 grapes as the New Year begins?" "I know," said Benito. "Each grape is for 1 month of the new year. We eat the grapes to wish that each month of the new year will be sweet." "That is a good answer, Benito," said Grandfather. "I have been eating 12 grapes at the New Year since I was a little boy. It is one of my favorite Spanish traditions." At midnight, everyone cheered. They ate their grapes. "Happy New Year, Abuelo," Benito said. "May the New Year be sweet," said Grandfather.